Good morning, Flannery.
That's an awful large banana that you have.
We decided to just give her the entire piece of banana and see how she did. And she's very happy about it. She's doing great, actually. Oh.
Maybe that was a little too
Put some in, take a little out. It's December 10th. 5 days before Flannery turns 1 year old. Hi. Hello. How's my girl? I love you. Bye-bye. See you later.